What's up guys, it's Aaron from Rudy Visuals, and in today's video I'm going to show you a really easy technique how you can create very cool looking transitions using a simple crystal like this. These can be created literally by just putting the crystal and kind of waving it in front of your lens like this from shot to shot. So stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to show you how this can be done in Premiere Pro or whatever editing software you're using, and here's a little show reel of what it should look like. All right. Alright guys, so we are back inside now. Hopefully you thought that looked pretty cool. I actually really like the effect that the crystal gives. Anyway, like I said, you can pick up a crystal like this on Amazon. There's a link of the exact one that we bought. It was about £8 or about $10. You can also use it for photos as well, so maybe that'll be another video we'll make in the future. Anyway, I'm gonna jump into Premiere Pro now and show you very quickly how you can put this together. Okay, so I've got two clips here with the little kind of transition effect at the end. So literally it's just like here you can see we have the crystal in front towards the end of the clip, and then at the start of the next clip we also have the crystal in front of the camera lens, and then you're just literally moving it out. So all you want to do is just literally stick them together, and just to blend it a little bit more smoothly, just add a cross dissolve, and when you play it back it should look something like this. So yeah, very, very simple. Okay guys, well that's gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you like this little cool transition effect. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And as always, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, here and here, and hit that like and subscribe button if you're new. And I'll see you on the next video. All right, peace out guys.